Welcome fellow car lovers. So far, Toyota have built two trucks with trims that consists of the word trail in its name, and while these trims are special editions, one is actually worth buying. I am talking about the 2024 Tacoma Trailhunter and the 2023 Tacoma Trail Edition. Let's go see which one is the better truck. If you somehow missed the overlanding craze that blew up during the pandemic, it's about building a truck or SUV to take hardy types into the backwoods for some off-grid style boondocks camping over long periods of time. That's in large part what the new Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter built for. The third generation Taco turns 8 last year, and its standard equipment is getting a little dusty. However, the Tacoma Trail Special Edition, equipped with the heritage-inspired Toyota front grille, wheels and a trail, badging in a bronze-colored finish, will help in standing out from the pack. The 2024 Tacoma Trailhunter comes with a 2.4-liter turbo four-cylinder hybrid engine that outputs 323 horsepower with a 4-wheel drive configuration. Having a towing capacity of 6,000 pounds and an MPG of 22 city and 24 highway, MSRP starts at $62,900 to $63,400. The 2023 Tacoma Trail Edition is equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 that produces 278 horsepower with a 4-wheel drive configuration. The maximum towing capacity is rated at 6,400 pounds, while MPG rating is 18 city and 22 highway. The price of the Trail Edition is $41,820. Being newer and an overlanding-focused vehicle, the Trailhunter has many pros. It comes equipped with a high-mount air intake. As an overlander, it also comes with Old Man Emu suspension, with 2.5-inch forged monotube shocks and external remote reservoirs. Lastly, it also comes with Softex, which is synthetic leather, seats. All features not available on the Trail Edition. However, the Trailhunter is not all perfect as it has some flaws. For example, the truck is absurdly more expensive than the Trail Edition, which is $20,000 cheaper. It also has a lower towing capacity than the Trail Edition, and a firmer ride as the suspension is built for crawling, not high-speed off-road performance. The special Trail Edition Tacoma also has some great qualities. Unlike any Tacomas, the Trail Edition comes with a lockable bed storage from factory. It's also smooth and reliable as it comes with a naturally aspirated V6 engine. With a more precise steering than the Trailhunter, the Trail Edition also has better handling. Being outdated and cheaper, the Trail Edition's flaws is in its technology and features. Unlike the Trailhunter, the Trail Edition gets no heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel and wireless charging. It only even gets an 8-inch infotainment screen while the Trailhunter gets a 14-inch screen. To top it off, the Trailhunter has better ground clearance at 11.5 inches compared to 9.4 inches. In summary, the Trailhunter comes loaded with many technology, comfort and safety features, which is the reason why it has a much higher price tag. It is also more suited for off-road driving as it comes with upgraded suspension, high-mount air intake, high-clearance front bumper and steel rear bumper. The Trail Edition is a much cheaper and simpler truck that comes with upgraded tires and an old reliable V6 engine. Other than the special lockable bed storage that it comes with, the Trail Edition is more of an aesthetic upgrade to the base Tacoma trim and doesn't offer multi-terrain select or crawl control. Therefore, the winner is the 2024 Tacoma Trailhunter. Let me know down in the comments below if you agree or not. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications, and subscribe.